right, look how juicy it is already. That beautiful, beautiful orange color to it. Let's give it a try. I did try this last year. I just actually don't remember. I don't remember trying it last year, but I know I bought it last year. I know I gifted some to my coworker, but not sure if I saved any for myself. I think I would have. All right, it's peeling right off the skin here. It's definitely ready to go. Guys, I found it. This is my mango for sure. This is so good. Definitely sweet. Does have that tartness to it. It's delicious. I could eat this all day long. This is breakfast. Mm, mm. There's Sebastian. Mangoes aren't for kitties. All right. Again, just peeling right off the skin. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. The best mango by far that I have ever tasted. It's a small mango. I like that it when it's ripe, it's still like green and just a pale bit of yellow. So it's kind of discreet if you were to be growing it in your front yard. That probably you wouldn't have too much problem with people coming by and taking them, or they wouldn't draw too much attention to themselves. It's called the branch breaker. You grow in clusters, quite a few of them, and the weight of the mango just bends down the branch. I've seen them breaking. But I also saw where people were thinning them out and the fruit was growing quite a bit bigger. Mm, I'm a mess, but this is fabulous. No fiber at all. Just a little tiny hint of that, I don't know what to call it, but that like powderiness to it. Almost feels like there's a powder on your tongue. Just a tiny hint of that. It's not unpleasant by any means. Mm. Oh, it's too big of a bite. I've been eating mangoes for a couple of years now, guys, and this is by far the best one I have ever had. I will be getting this tree. So far, I only grow dwarf mangoes. I really should have brought a napkin out here. This will be my only variety of big tree, but I'm experimenting with grafting. I've grafted now my pettigrew onto my rosy gold just to practice the technique. The graft is pretty new, but it looks really good today. So far so good. It hasn't failed yet. If I get better at grafting, and I get this as a large tree, grow it up a little bit, I'll just graft a couple different varieties onto it. Thinking that would be a lot smarter than having a bunch of different mango trees. That way I can have some other fruit trees. All right, guys. I'll see you later. I'm a mess. I gotta stop this.